What's your name?
Riley, and I'm gonna do some makeup because I'm already doing it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna move this one. Yeah, I know. Okay, now I'm done with this one. So now I'm doing red lipstick. I'm gonna do red lipstick. That's bloody. I have blood. So, yeah, I know. But, how are you done? Good? Yeah? Alright. Yeah, I am doing better. 'Cause I love putting makeup. But, I didn't mean to wipe that off. I just do, but how are you doing? Okay? Okay. So, doing a makeup challenge. I'm making Havana. So, Havana, how do you like it? Good. Oh, good? Alright. I know. And that's pretty, huh? Do you think so? Well, what do you think? Oh, you want me to do this one? Alright. I'm putting some on. I'm sorry, but I can't do this. I know I can. My sister and brother will laugh. Yeah, and I'm gonna be done. Alright? Subscribe if there thumbs up. Thumbs up.